It's real simple. You've been going over your numbers, the time, basically 1 through 12. Uno a doce, 1 through 12. That's it. Anytime you start with a number 1, it's going to start with es la una. Okay, so es la una, it's 1 o'clock. Okay, after that, it's all son la. Son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las cinco, son las seis, son las siete, son las ocho, son las nueve, son las diez, son las once, son las doce. Then rinse and repeat. It doesn't have to get any more complicated than that. AM, PM. Okay? And for AM, you can add that. AM is, just say if it's 1 a.m. in the morning, you can say, es la una en la mañana. Or if it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon, you can say, es la una en la tarde. Okay? But basically, those endings like that is just in la mañana or in la tarde. I find you really don't need to add that. You really don't need to have to worry about that because really it's contextual. I mean, if it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon and you say es la una, I mean, you know you're not talking about 1 a.m. in the morning. So it's just like, hey, if the context is already there in the situation, you really don't have to tag that on. But technically, to be proper, you can. But either way, it'll work for you. It's your choice, okay? But like I said, it's real simple. If you've been practicing your numbers, it's 1 to 12, rinse and repeat. Don't make it any complicated than that. Well, that's all for today. Let that sink into your head, okay? And until next time, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.